Hi everyone, good morning to you all. Welcome back to science class. Today we are going to study the new concept in the branch of physics, that is the light reflection and refraction. Dear students, light, already you might have learned the many concepts, means basic information about light in the previous year. So today we are going to study the continued part of the light reflection and refraction. Mainly, let us discuss about the refraction. What is refraction? How it takes place? Is it necessary or not in our day-to-day life? First, what is the refraction? Normally, as you know already, the light can travel in a straight line, but the light can travel always in a straight line, and also it speed of light, the speed of light, the speed of light should be different in different media. So here media means what? The air or the solids or the water. So the speed of light is different in the different media, right? So the speed of light or the velocity of light in air is 330 meter per second. 330 meter per second, 332 or 340 meter per second. This is the speed of light or the velocity of light in the air. So what is the refraction? When the light is moved from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, it changes its path or it changes its direction. Then it is called as refraction. Once I'll repeat, my dear students, when the light travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, it changes its path. Then this phenomenon is called as the refraction of light. So there are many experiences in our day-to-day life. They are the lemon. When you immerse a lemon into a water, in the water in a glass slab, appears to be raised, appears to be larger from the side view. And when you placed the pencil, immersely, partially placed the pencil into a glass of water, it appears to be a bent, right? So like these, many experiences are there in our day-to-day life. These are all the possible of what? The refraction, right? So now we're going to study some more new concept about the refraction. The students, here this is the water surface and this is above the water. This is air. So air and water are the two medium. So air is the one medium and the water also a one more medium. Here the light travels from one medium to another medium. It means from air to water, right? The air is a rarer medium. Rarer medium means what? It is nothing but what? The example of gaseous state means in the gaseous state the particles are freely arranged in all the directions. That is why rarer medium. The air is a rarer medium. So now water, it's a denser medium. Why? Because the particles or the molecules attached near, means loosely, one above the other, right? So here what happens when light is travel from air to water? So here when the light is enters from rarer medium to denser medium, here the refraction takes place. After the refraction, the refracted ray is moving towards the normal. This is normal drawn to a point of incidence. This is called as what? Incident ray. This is refracted ray. Already you might have learned in the previous year. Incident ray means the ray which strikes on an object, and refracted ray means the new ray is emitted after the refraction from the point of incidence. Here you carefully observe here, my dear students, when the light comes from the rarer medium to denser medium, after the refraction, it moves towards the normal. It moves towards the normal. Okay, so actually this is the original path of light, but it bends, it changes path towards the normal. Why? Because here the speed of light is very more due to the particles are freely arranged. But in the case of water, the particles are closely arranged one above the other. That's why the speed of the light goes on decreasing. That is why the refracted ray is moving towards the normal. Now one more here. Here the light is moving from denser medium to rarer medium. Here the speed of light goes on decreasing because of particles are closely one above the other. That is why the speed of light is here decreases, and here when it strikes on the point of incidence, here refraction takes place. After the refraction, the refracted ray is moving away from the normal. Why? Because the speed of light goes on increasing. So this is called as what? Refraction. So that is why from these two activities we come to know that when the light ray is moving from one medium to another medium, it changes its path, rarer to denser, denser to rarer. Dear students, now one more important activity of what? The refraction. So here the light ray is moving from rarer medium to denser medium, and again from denser medium to rarer medium. Here I taken as a glass slab. Glass slab is a denser medium. So when the light enters from rarer medium to denser medium, after the refraction it moves towards the normal, and again the light ray is moving from denser medium to rarer medium. After the refraction, it moves away from the normal. Here, incident ray, refracted ray, and emergent ray. This ray is called as what? Emergent ray. Means when the light ray is coming from rarer to denser and again denser to rarer. So in this case, the refraction takes place twice, means the two times. And then here the emergent ray is, or the emergent ray is coming from the CD. Okay, this is parallel to original path of light. It is always parallel to original path of light. Why it is original? Why it is parallel to original path of light? Actually, the extent of bending of ray of light, okay, at opposite light at opposite parallel faces like AB and CD. The ray of light is coming from the rarer to denser medium or denser to rarer medium. This mainly takes place by the two parallel faces like AB and CD. AB and CD of rectangular glass slab is equal and opposite. Always these two are equal and opposite, because of what? The parallel light rays never intersect each other and they have maintained the equal distance throughout. That is why the emergent ray is parallel to original path of light. So this is the refraction takes place in the glass slab. So once again I'll say, in the glass slab the refraction takes place twice. Is it clear, my dear students? Dear students, now there are two laws are there in the refraction. First law of refraction and second law of refraction. What is first law of refraction and what is the second law of refraction? Dear students, first law of refraction. The incident ray refracted ray and normal drawn from the point of interface of both media, all are lie on the same plane. Once I'll repeat, my dear students, incident ray, refracted ray and the normal drawn from the point of interface of two transparent media, all are lie on the same plane. This is called as the first law of refraction. And second law of refraction, always the angle of sine or the angle of sine of the incident means this one, the angle of sine of incident is to the angle of refraction. The angle of sine, the sine of angle of incidence to the angle of or the sine of angle of refraction of the given light is given light, it's having a constant color. That is why the second law we can represent as the sine I divided by sine R is equals to constant, always called as a constant. The sine of angle of incidence is to the sine of angle of refraction, both are always the constant. This is the second law of the refraction. Dear students, in this video we are discussed about what is the refraction, how refraction takes place through the rarer medium to denser medium, as well as rarer to denser, denser to rarer, as well as the last one is what? The laws of refraction.